So we've had some questions regarding the snorkel. It's a pretty standard XJ snorkel kit. I don't remember what brand name or anything like that, but it seems to fit pretty good for the most part. All we did was right about here. We used this 3.5-inch hole saw. It's a metal hole saw. Cut the hole in it. Trust me, I was nervous. I didn't want to, but we did it. Then I had to come in back behind it, and I actually had to trim out quite a bit from back here up. I had to take the fuse center and the ABS module out to be able to get in there, and I had to take the fender off, but we got it. And then for this actually came with my snorkel kit. This is my new air filter. It's a complete carbon fiber enclosed unit. There's a filter inside, so works pretty good. Definitely high flow, like it said. And then we had to get the adapter here to go up to match on the mass airflow sensor. We had to actually eliminate the stock windshield washer fluid bottle, so I ended up making my own. I don't know if you guys can see it down there or not. It's just a Gatorade bottle with a hole drilled through the side. Nothing too special, but yes, it works, and it works quite well. Just until we figure something else out.